This video alone has earned over $35,000 in just the last 30 days by promoting this one simple product on TikTok. It seems like everyone these days are making hundreds and thousands of dollars with TikTok affiliate. And you won't believe, even their videos are pulling in millions of views. Imagine paying someone $400 for a 30-second video when you can do the same thing in minutes. As today, I will reveal how you can create similar UGC videos using AI.
Lately, my skin's been feeling kind of dull and uneven, and honestly, I didn't realize how much it was bothering me until I looked in the mirror one day and thought, yeah, I need to do something about this.
The video you just saw wasn't even real. It was created using an AI tool called ARCADS. From the actor speaking casually to the B-rolls showing the product in action, everything you saw was AI generated. So here's the deal. I'm going to walk you through the entire blueprint step by step. From literally finding a trending product that's already making money right now, to generating the script that sounds extremely real, to creating such unbelievably real ads using ARCADS, and finally, generating realistic B-rolls based on your selected product. We're actually going to be using 3 different AI tools today, with ARCADS being the main, with 2 more AI tools. The combination of all of this together is super powerful. All you need are right prompts for your B-rolls and the script that matches with your product. And yes, I've already created a pro-level prompt document that you can use for free. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because missing a step could cost you seriously. Welcome to AI Upskill. The very first step is choosing the right product. If you already have one, you can skip this part. But if you're looking to make money on TikTok Shop, then trust me, this is the most important step. Head over to CaloData. It's a tool that shows you exactly what products are trending and how much revenue they're pulling in. Once you're there, navigate to the Products section and click on the High Potential Affiliate tab. From here, you can select the date range to either last 7 days or 30 days. What you'll see is a list of products with the revenue they've generated, and you'll instantly notice which ones are taking off. For now, I'm choosing this product, as the creators are getting millions of views promoting it. Now all you need to do is to save the product images from here, and note down the product name and its category. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to take those and create a script using chatgpt. It's an important part, as your script should sound extremely casual and real. So I've created a Google document with every single prompt that I'll be using in this video. It makes the whole process super easy. You can grab this directly from my Discord video prompts channel, simply copy the full prompt and paste it into chatgpt. Then all you do is enter the product name and category you just noted down. Next, upload those product images you saved right into the chat, and hit enter. That's it. The prompt is designed to automatically generate a perfect script based on your selected product. If you were using a different product, say a Labubu doll, then it would have generated a script according to it. What I love about this is that it's not your typical boring sales pitch. It sounds like a friend giving a genuine recommendation. Now comes the fun part, actually turning that script into a UGC video. For this, we're going to use ARCADS, which is built specifically for creating realistic UGC ads in minutes. This isn't just another AI talking head tool. With ARCADS, you can choose from a variety of AI actors with different locations and emotions. You can even adjust the speaking speed and tone to perfectly match the vibe of your product, and can even generate B-rolls and gestures right from here. So once you've signed up using my link in the description, your dashboard will look something like this. On the left side, you can include your product and can create projects accordingly. You can select between the text-to-speech or speech-to-speech option. Simply paste in the script that was generated by ChatGPT. And click on this Add Speech Emotion button to make your script sound more real with natural pauses. Then click on this Add Actors button to choose a UGC creator. You literally have tons of options, each with different styles and backgrounds. I'll go with a female creator in a bathroom setting because it matches the product I've chosen. Also, take a quick screenshot of your chosen actor, as this will be used later in the process. The coolest part here is you can preview your audio and adjust the tone before you hit generate. If you want to add certain pauses, you can easily edit the script. Or change a few audio settings from here until it feels like a natural conversation and not a sales pitch. So once you're satisfied, simply click the Generate button. Now while the main UGC video is generating, we need to create B-rolls. Because let's be honest, a boring talking head video with no supporting visuals doesn't make any sense. So don't worry, to make this easy, I've included another prompt inside the same Google Doc. Simply copy the second prompt and paste it into the same conversation. What this does is absolutely genius. It analyzes the script we just generated and breaks it down into specific, detailed prompts for both images and videos. We're going to use these prompts to generate images first. So take one of the image prompts, copy it and head over to Leonardo AI. From here, select the Flux Context model. Choose the 9:16 ratio and simply paste in the prompt. Now, if the prompt is focused on the product itself, then upload your product image as a reference. Once it's uploaded, simply click on the Generate button. Let's fast forward a bit. And boom, your first B-roll image is ready. But if any of the prompts include our actor, then simply upload the actor screenshot we took earlier. This ensures consistency. And hit Generate. This is how simply you can generate high-quality product and actor B-rolls. Repeat this process until you've got 6 or 7 solid B-rolls. Now head back into Arcad's AI. Our main video should be ready by now. Here's how it looks.
Lately, my skin's been feeling kind of dull and uneven, and honestly, I didn't realize how much it was bothering me until I looked in the mirror one day and thought,
Are you kidding me? This actually looks real. Okay, now to convert our B-roll images into videos. Choose B-rolls from below. Start by uploading one of your generated B-roll images as the start frame. Then copy and paste the corresponding video prompt from chatgpt into the prompt box. Next, select the aspect ratio and duration of the video, and simply click the Generate button. I'll spare you the generating time, and as you can see, our video is ready. Pretty cool, right? We have to do this process for all the remaining images. For example, just upload a B-roll image and paste in the matching video prompt, and Arcad's AI will generate a realistic video in minutes. So once all the clips are ready, organize them in a folder, just like I did. Alright, now it's time to bring everything together. I'm going to show you a quick breakdown of my editing project. This usually takes around like 5 minutes. Make sure you start with the generated video that you made within Arcad's. Now all you need to do is overlay your generated B-roll videos on top of the timeline at the exact moments where they make sense. For example, when the actor says,
Lately, my skin's been feeling kind of dull and uneven.
Simply cut to the B-roll of her looking tired. When she says,
So I started using this.
Simply cut to the product B-roll. If you get stuck in the process, just drop a comment below and I'll help you out. So once you're done, you will have a completed video that looks like this.
Lately, my skin's been feeling kind of dull and uneven. And honestly, I didn't realize how much it was bothering me until I looked in the mirror one day and thought, yeah, I need to do something about this. So I started using this little duo of rice ampules, one with black rice and one with white rice. And I didn't expect much at first, but wow. After just one use, my skin felt smoother, like the texture had actually changed. The best part is, it doesn't sting or feel harsh at all. It's super gentle, but it somehow still gets rid of that buildup and leaves my skin looking clearer and more fresh. Even my stubborn blackheads and little whiteheads look way less noticeable. Now it's just become part of my routine, like a small reset button for my skin whenever I feel it needs a boost. And honestly, it's made such a difference in how confident I feel without makeup.
Lol, this is crazy. And that's it. We've just created an AI UGC ad in minutes. We just went from finding a trending product to generating a natural script, to building a full UGC ad inside Arcad's, complete with B-rolls, gestures, and a realistic actor. If you want to try this out yourself, then I will leave the link to Arcad's in the description down below. They have different plans, and honestly, they're worth it if you're serious about putting in the effort. Also, don't forget to grab the free prompt document from my Discord server. It'll make the whole process much easier. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe because I've got even crazier AI side hustle videos coming your way. See you in the next one.